All right, so here's the problem that you just worked on. This problem definitely has two pieces to it where if you struggled with setting up the word problem, going from those words to the equation, we're going to go through that. If you just struggled with solving, I'm going to show you a calculator trick with our TI Inspire. And so if you struggled with putting your equations into the calculator, click on that next video and it's going to show you a quick way to solve systems in your calculator. You can use the elimination or substitution method, but I would say for the STAR, when we're really looking at timing and calculating the equation, let's do it in our calculator and use that tool that's given to us. So again, I'm going to go through right now how to set up the equation. So when I read this, it says 2 customers went to a post office to buy postcards and large envelopes. Each postcard costs the same amount and each large envelope also costs the same amount. The first customer paid $12 for 14 postcards and 5 envelopes. The second customer paid $24.80 for 10 postcards and 15 envelopes. What is the cost of dollars? What is the cost in dollars for each large envelope? So we need to remember that we're looking at the large envelope. So here I'm going to label what my variables are. So I'm going to say that X is our postcards and Y is our envelopes. Okay, so when we write these equations, we're keeping in mind those variables. So in that first bullet point, I see that we paid $12. So my equation I'm about to write, I'm going to set equal to $12. I'm going to take the postcards, and I had 14 postcards, so 14x, and I add to that 5y, 5 envelopes, and I set that equal to the total that I paid, $12. So using that, try to write your second equation before I do. Okay, so keeping in mind the postcards and the envelopes, I paid a total of $24.80, but I bought 10 postcards, so 10x plus 15y equals 24.80. So that was postcards, envelopes, and our total, and then same down below. Now, these equations I could use, I would say elimination might be nice to use here because I could eliminate by multiplying by something. But for the sake of time and to use our tool of the calculator, let's do it in our calculator. So if you need a refresher of System Solve in the calculator, I want you to go click on the next video to solve that up.